Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5217. This shape runs from the 7th month 2020 through to the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.